Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the form editor. Open the target form and locate the header or the specific question where the image goes. Click the image icon or header area to open the upload panel. This is how you control placement. Once done, choose Upload, Google Drive, or Photos so you know why each option matters for access and permissions. Make sure your image meets size limits and orientation so the preview looks correct before moving on to the next step. Now you'll upload and fine-tune the image. Select the source, upload for local files or drive for shared assets, and pick the file. Use the crop and fit controls to set framing. This ensures the form displays consistently on desktop and mobile. Once placed, add alt text or a caption to improve accessibility and context. Because Google preserves the link for Drive images, make sure sharing permissions are set appropriately so respondents can always see the image. Finish by previewing the form and testing navigation to confirm the image appears where expected and scales correctly. Then save or close the editor. Google autosaves, but preview verifies behavior. If the image doesn't show, check Drive or File permissions and confirm the file is JPG/PNG under size limits. As a quick fix, re-upload a resized copy or use a publicly shared Drive link. If problems persist, replace the image using the image menu.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.